Now today we'll focus on trigonometrical limits based problem. Okay, before starting trigonometrical limit based problem, some basic information is more needed, like sine inverse, sin x, limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x this equal to 1, limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x this equal to 1. Okay, so right now here simply limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x this equal to 1, or limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x this equal to 1, limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x upon x this equal to 1, limit x tends to 0, tan inverse x upon x this equal to 1. Okay, so if anyone face confusion about why that value is 1 1 1 1 1, so simply you can apply L'Hospital rule. Why apply L'Hospital rule? Put if x is equal to sin 0 0, okay, and sin x here x is 0, so 0 by 0 form, so you can apply L'Hospital rule, differentiate numerator and denominator with respect to x, then we got how much, that is differentiation of sin x is cos x and divided by differentiation of dx is 1. So cos x by 1, if put x is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. Same thing here, differentiation of tan x is how much, sec square x. Why? Because of if put x is equal to 0, then 0 divided by 0. So L'Hospital also applicable here also. So that's why you can differentiate, then we got sec square x and put x is equal to 0, then we got sec 0 is 1 divided by 1, so that is 1. Same thing here. Okay, I hope so clear. Now take some problem regarding to trigonometrical based problem. Okay, let limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by how much, x square x. How can solve this type of problem? How can solve this type of problem? Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x upon x square. Simply, I know that what about 1 minus cos x? That one written simply x tends to 0. This one is 2 sin x by 2 divided by how much, x square. But I know that if here y tends to 0, sin y divided by y, that is 1. So if you want to this one make like that one, so simply sin x tends to 0, that one written 2, here sin x by 2, so divide by here also x by 2 whole square, it means divide by 4. So basically here 4 multiply and 4 divide, then we got how much, sin x by 2 upon x by 2 to the whole square. If limit x tends to 0, then this one making like that one, so that value is also 1. So finally 1 by 2 into 1, so 1 by 2 is the right answer. I hope so clear. Make it. Okay, after that I will take another problem also. Now next problem is limit x tends to 0, cos of 1 minus cos x, okay, divided by sin x to power 4. So how can solve this type of problem? Okay, I hope so clear. Here 1 minus cos of 1 minus cos x divided by how much, sin to power 4x. So how can solve this type of problem? Simply you can see that I know that 1 minus cos x, that is how much, 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, this one written how much, simply limit x tends to 0, here 1 minus cos x, that one written 2 sin square x by 2 divided by that one simply sin to power 4x, sin x to power 4. After that limit x tends to 0, again basically 1 minus cos x cos theta, this will be equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, so that formula use here. After that, that one simply whatever be the value of that one, 1 minus cos theta, this one again written, that is how much, 2 sin, this one is a theta, means 2 sin square theta. Okay, basically that is x by 2 divided by 2. Okay, basically divide by how much, sin x to power 4. After that, limit x tends to 0, this one 2, here sin 2 cancel, sin square x by 2. Okay, divide by, if you want to, this one make sin y divided by y, if limit y tends to 0, that is 1. Okay, so first of all, right now here 2 cancel, and here sin to power 4x. I hope so clear. Now after that, look here very carefully. That one written, limit x tends to 0, 2 here sin square, means that one written sin x by 2 to the whole square. Okay, if this one written, then also here written also okay, so sin square x by 2 to whole square, because of that one whole square. I hope so clear. Okay, divide by how much, sin x to power 4. What about that value? Simply 1. Okay, what about that value? Simply 1. So you can say that limit x tends to 0, here 2 sin of sin square x by 2 whole divided by sin square x by 2 to whole power whole square, and that one written sin x by 2 to whole power 4. So basically, if written x by 2 to whole power 4, means here written 2 to power 4. Okay, and x to power 4 up sin x upon, okay, basically here x square upon x x power 4 upon x power 4, multiply and divide. Okay, and here 2 to power 4 divided by 2 to power 4 written here. Okay, so after that, that value 1, that value 1, that value 1, so 2 upon 2 to power 4, so 1 upon 2 to power 3. So basically 1 by 8 is the right answer. Make it.